Constable Noel Maitland, who has been charged with the murder of social media personality Donna-lee Donaldson, is scheduled to make his first court appearance tomorrow. This was disclosed in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court this morning. Mr. Maitland's attorney, Christopher Townsend, who appeared in court, said information was not initially provided on the specific court date.
Social media had it that the matter was set for today. All our checks suggest that nobody could tell us, including the investigating officer, when the matter would be set for, when the matter would be put before the court. We have been asking from last week when it is that the matter is coming before the court, and nobody could tell us, which suggests that I don't know if anybody is in charge. So we came to court just in case the matter was in fact here and social media was right and nobody else knew but social media knew. We were told that the matter is to be here for tomorrow, which is also odd because usually the matter is brought before the court in terms of the registry some 3 days before.
Constable Maitland was charged on August 2 following an investigation by the Major Investigation Division. Ms. Donaldson was reported missing on July 13, 2 days after she went to visit Constable Maitland at his St. Andrew apartment. The police believe she was murdered on July 12. Her body has not been found. However, investigators say they have forensic evidence to show that Ms. Donaldson was killed in the apartment and her body later dumped.